Hello, everyone. This is Michael from Western Reserve Independent Living Center coming to you with our latest newsletter. WRILC's Independent Living Newsletter, Issue 22-9, September 2022. Western Reserve Independent Living Center, Opening Doors to Independence. In this issue, Section 1, National Preparedness Month. Are you prepared? Section 2, WRILC's Services Update. Section 3, National Guide Dog Awareness Month. Section 4, Monthly Book Recommendation, Tech Corner, Recipe, Pot Pie Casserole. Section 5, Transportation News, Travel Training Available, WRTA News, Route Changes. Section 6, WRILC News and Events. Section 7, Calendar Items for September. Section 1, National Preparedness Month. Are you prepared? The keys to effective disaster preparedness: be informed, make a plan, and take action apply to all of us. But people with access and functional needs or disabilities should approach preparedness planning with additional considerations. Additional considerations could include creating a support network. Check with those who can assist you if needed. Keep a contact list in a watertight container in your emergency kit. Learn more at ready.gov/kit. Planning ahead for accessible transportation for evacuation or getting to a medical clinic. Work with local services, public transportation, or paratransit to identify local or private accessible transportation options. Informing a support network where your emergency supplies are. You may want to give one member a key to your house or apartment. Knowing location and availability of more than one facility for dialysis, if dialysis is part of a health maintenance plan, or routine or other life-sustaining treatment. Preparing to use medical equipment if a power outage occurs. Wearing medical alert tags or bracelets. Making note of the best way to communicate with you in an emergency if you have a communications disability. Planning how to evacuate with assistive devices or how to replace equipment if lost or destroyed. Keep model information and note where the equipment came from, such as Medicaid, Medicare, or private insurance. Build a kit. In addition to having basic survival supplies, an emergency kit should contain items that meet individual needs in various emergencies. Consider items used daily and those needed to add to a kit. Tips for people who are blind or low vision include: mark emergency supplies with braille labels or large print. Keep a list of your emergency supplies on a portable flash drive, or make an audio file that is kept in a safe space where you can access it. Keep a braille or deafblind communications device in an emergency supply kit. Tips for people with a mobility disability include: if you use a power wheelchair, have a lightweight manual chair available as a backup. Show others how to operate your wheelchair. Know the size and weight of your wheelchair and if it is collapsible for transportation. Keep an extra mobility device such as a cane or walker if you use one. If you use a seat cushion to protect your skin or maintain your balance, and you must evacuate without your wheelchair, take your cushion with you. Join us for our free emergency preparedness workshop, online or in person, for seniors and people with disabilities. Tuesday, September 27th, from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Registration is required. Call 330-372-3325 by September 23rd for info to join online or reserve your in-person seat. Seating is limited. Free stay-to-go kits for first 10 individuals registered. Section 2. WRILC Services Update. COVID cases are currently on the rise in Trumbull, Mahoning, and Ashtabula counties. Recommendations: wear a mask indoors. Stay up to date with COVID-19 vaccines. Get tested if you have symptoms. If you need help with finding a vaccine site, finding vaccine information and facts, finding transportation to get your vaccine or booster shot, finding an accessible vaccination site, appointment reminders. Call us. We can help. 330-372-3325. Section 3. National Guide Dog Awareness Month. September is National Guide Dog Month. Dogs help us in so many ways. Some of the ways are unarguably more prevalent than others, such as the service that guide dogs give to their humans every month. Service dogs help people with everything, such as anxiety and seizures. They provide emotional and physical support and also serve to warn their humans when symptoms are imminent. They also serve as guide dogs for those with sensory issues like blindness. This provides added mobility and independence for those who might not have otherwise had such freedoms. History of National Guide Dog Month. National Guide Dog Month was inspired by 8 is Enough. Dad Dick Van Patten, who admired the ability of guide dogs to provide assistance and mobility to those living with visual impairments. After he realized how much it cost to raise and train a guide dog and how long it could take, he was determined to raise awareness and monetary support for guide dog schools. His pet food company underwrites all costs for the promotion of National Guide Dog Month to ensure that all the money raised would benefit nonprofit accredited guide dog schools in the U.S. Now, National Guide Dog Month is celebrated every September. Guide dog etiquette tips. There are 4 main behavioral tips for when encountering guide dog pairs in order to ensure appropriate social behaviors for the dogs and reduce risk of dangerous situations. 1. Harness on means hands off. If a guide dog is in a harness, they do not want to be distracted as they are currently working. 2. Contain your excitement. It is not advisable to encourage excitable play, especially as guide dogs are given access to public places where other dogs are not permitted and they have to stay calm. 3. Don't feed them. Offering guide dogs food can result in antisocial behavior such as begging and scavenging off the ground. 4. Say hi another time. If you're walking your pet dog and you see a guide dog pair coming toward you, take your dog away from the guide dog. Little known facts about guide dogs. Guide dogs learn to be responsible for a space 2 times as wide and up to 3 times as tall as themselves to keep their owners safe. The most popular guide dog breeds are Labradors, Golden Retrievers, and German Shepherds, who are chosen for their size, temperament, and intelligence. Guide dogs will display intelligent disobedience and disobey their owner's commands if they see a hazard that their owners didn't. Not all dogs graduate from guide dog school. In fact, only about 75% complete the rigorous training. Guide dog names are chosen carefully by avoiding names that sound similar to a command. Example, kneel and heel, and are often 1 to 2 syllables to allow for faster communication. When guide dogs are off harness, they can play around just like any other dog. Section 4. Monthly Book Recommendation, Tech Corner, and Recipe. Book of the Month Recommendation. Thunder Dog by Michael Hinkson and Susie Flory. When one of the 4 hijacked planes flew into the World Trade Center's North Tower on September 11, 2001, Michael Hinkson, a district sales manager for a data protection and network security systems company, was sitting down for a meeting. His guide dog, Roselle, was at his feet. Blind from birth, Michael could hear the sounds of shattering glass, falling debris, and terrified people flooding all around him. But Roselle sat calmly beside him. In that moment, Michael chose to trust Roselle's judgment and not to panic. They were a team. Praise for Thunderdog. Chapter by chapter of this intriguing work will keep you spellbound. Larry King. Tech Corner. Alexa Assistant Speaker. According to an interesting new research study, Amazon's Alexa is taking assistive technology to a whole new level by boosting disabled people's emotional well-being and staving off loneliness, in addition to helping them accomplish important daily tasks. Recently, a California-based home healthcare provider programmed Alexa to help residents connect with caregivers, set medicine reminders, report vitals, and schedule appointments. Powered by artificial intelligence, Alexa can also track blood glucose levels, symptoms, prescription deliveries, and appointments, and is even becoming HIPAA compliant to help transmit patient data and records. To learn more about Alexa and other virtual assistants, visit https://www.ldrfa.org/virtual-assistant-technology-disabled-amazon-echo-v-google-home/ Recipe: Chicken pot pie casserole. Ingredients: 1/3 cup butter, cubed, 1 1/2 cups sliced fresh mushrooms, 2 medium carrots sliced, 1/2 medium onion chopped, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 cup 2% milk, 4 cups cubed cooked chicken, 1 cup frozen peas, 1 jar 2 ounces diced pimientos drained, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Biscuit topping: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/2 cup cold butter cubed, 2/3 cup 2% milk. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. In a large saucepan, heat butter over medium heat. Add mushrooms, carrots, and onion. Cook and stir until tender. 2. Stir in flour until blended. Gradually stir in broth and milk. bring to a boil, stirring constantly. Cook and stir 2 minutes or until thickened. Stir in chicken, peas, pimientos, and salt. Heat through. Transfer to a greased 11 by 7-inch baking dish. 3. For topping, in a large bowl, whisk flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and cream of tartar. Cut in butter until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add milk. Stir just until moistened. 4. Turn onto a lightly floured surface. Knead gently 8 to 10 times. Pat or roll dough to 1/2 inch thickness. Cut with a floured 2 1/2 inch biscuit cutter. Place over chicken mixture. Bake uncovered 15 to 20 minutes or until biscuits are golden brown. Nutrition facts. 1 serving, 489 calories, 26 g fat, 14 g saturated fat, 118 mg cholesterol, 885 mg sodium, 36 g carbohydrate, 6 g sugars, 3 g fiber, 27 g protein. Did you know? Emergency preparedness facts. As recently as 30 years ago, many people were under the assumption that animals knew how to take care of themselves in a disaster, so little to no effort was made to evacuate them. 48% of Americans lack emergency supplies in the event of a disaster. More than half of parents don't have a meeting place designated with their kids in times of emergency. Section 5. Transportation News. Interested in learning how to use the WRTA bus system? Whether it's learning new routes, how to board the bus, or learning bus etiquette, we've got you covered. Our travel training program is a self-paced process where an individual, regardless of ability or age, can learn how to use WRTA bus services. Our ILS specialist will assist you in overcoming fears and building confidence in riding independently. If you are interested in learning more about WRILC's travel training, please email our ILS specialist, Mika, at wrilc.org or by calling 330-372-3325. Fixed route changes coming September 11th. WRTA has made improvements to a number of its fixed routes to better serve the community. These routes include Route number 12, Albert Street, Route number 15, Struthers, Route number 16, Buckeye, Route number 24, Midlothian Loop, Route number 28, Warren Express. The changes to these routes will take effect on September 11th, 2022. These schedule changes will be reflected in the Maps and Schedules section of the WRTA website and on the MyStop mobile app. Section 6. WRILC News and Events. Join us. Independent Living Skills Workshop. Living Well in the Community. Virtually or in person. Fridays, 1 to 2:30. This series is open to anyone of any age who is looking to develop healthy living habits and live the most satisfying life possible. This is the last class of this series, September 9th, Maintenance. Call for information or use the link below to join. To join the Zoom meeting, https://us02web.zoom.us/j/88391571881. Meeting ID 883-9157-1881, passcode 979606, or call 646-558-8656. Coming October 21st, Living Well in the Community. Join us virtually for this health and well-being workshop. Topics include goal setting, building support, healthy reactions, healthy communication, eating well, physical activity. Ask us how you can earn $40 for participating in this workshop. Need technology? We have tablets to lend you for this program. Call us today, 330-372-3325. Monthly online peer support. Stress and Anxiety Peer Support Group. Wednesday, September 21st, from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. This month's topic, how to de-stress with bullet journaling and other accessible journaling tools. Virtual meeting info. https://us02web.zoom.us/j/883-9157-1881. Meeting ID 883-9157-1881. Passcode 979606. Phone 646-558-8656. In-person meeting info. Western Reserve Independent Living Center, 4076 Youngstown Road, Southeast, Suite 203, Warren, Ohio 44484. Blind and Visually Impaired Peer Support Group. Blind and Visually Impaired Peer Support Group will meet on September 30th from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Information to join. Virtual meeting info. https://02web.zoom.us/j/883-9157-1881. Meeting ID 883-9157-1881. Passcode 979606. Phone 646-558-8656. Call the WRILC office if you need more information about this or any of our workshops, 330-372-3325. Free Emergency Preparedness Workshop, online or in person for seniors and people with disabilities. Tuesday, September 27th, from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Registration is required. Call 330-372-3325 by September 23rd for info to join online or to reserve your in-person seat. Seating is limited. Free stay-to-go kits for first 10 individuals registered. For more information, or if you have any questions, call the WRILC office at 330-372-3325 or visit our website, www.wrilc.org, to find staff members' emails if you wish to reach them that way, or use info@wrilc.org. Keep informed of our future events and workshops by checking our news and events page, website, or Facebook. Section 7. Calendar items for September. September is National Preparedness Month, National Guide Dog Awareness Month, and Self-Care Month. September 5th, Labor Day, office closed. September 9th, Community Living Skills Workshop, 1 to 2:30 p.m. September 10th, Suicide Prevention Day. September 11th, Grandparents' Day. September 20th, National Pepperoni Pizza Day. September 20th, Stress and Anxiety Peer Support Group, 11 a.m. September 27th, Emergency Preparedness Training Workshop, 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. September 30th, Blind and Visually Impaired Peer Support Group, 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Thank you for taking the time out for our newsletter. Western Reserve ILC is a local 501c3 nonprofit agency servicing the needs of persons with disabilities in Ashtabula, Columbiana, Mahoning, and Trumbull counties. We are a community-based, non-residential agency whose core services are free. If you would like to receive a Braille, email, or audio copy of this newsletter each month, please contact us to find out more about becoming a WRILC consumer. You can contact us at 330-372-3325.